Meet our and the lovely girl is Mei Mei. Bright young students. The brave boy is Mignon. Today, their classroom is the great outdoors. Join them as they explore the wonders of the farm. That's right, a cow says moo. Yes, a duck says quack quack.
Quack, quack, quack.
Well done. A pig says oink oink.
Look at that fluffy white friend in the field. It's a sheep. S-H-E-E-P. Sheep. Listen. Wow, look at this strong friend with a beautiful mane. It's a horse. H-O-R-S-E. Horse. Now let's look inside the cozy nest. We found a hen. H-E-N. Hen. She is watching her egg. We had so much fun meeting all our farm friends. For more exciting lessons, don't forget to follow Brilliant English. See you next time. Bye-bye.